So hi guys, hope you're doing great. This is a series of videos that I'll be doing to answer questions that you've been sending to us throughout the Boost with Facebook program that we are running, and I'm one of the facilitators there. My name is Samuel Kariuki, and I'm an online entrepreneur and a founder and CEO of Chuoni Technologies Limited. My title in that company is Digital Empowerer in Chief. My work is just to empower you guys to actually win in this digital environment. So today we are going to cover setting up WhatsApp for business. And one of the most questions that is always being asked is, how do we set up the WhatsApp business, about setting up labels, about short link, catalog, your profile. So I'm recording this video so that I answer all those questions. So once I am some of the assumptions that I'm making is that you already have your WhatsApp installed, WhatsApp business installed on your phone, and that you have already registered the number you want to use. And there's a questions I found, if you have one number that is that you're using for WhatsApp business and also for your personal, how do you separate personal messages from your business messages? So the only way you can do that is probably by labeling those personal people, or by starring business messages. So I'll be showing you how to do that, and hopefully this is something that is going to be helpful to you. So once now you have your WhatsApp business, click on it to open, and you're going to land on this page where you can see WhatsApp business. You can see the chat, status, and calls, and you can see the camera icon on your left. And then at the top there, you can see the search icon, and also the three dots at the top right corner there. So just click on the three dots. You're going to have this drop down with the business tools. This is where if you click there, you're going to set up your business information. Then new group, this is where you want to have a new group on your WhatsApp. So if you want to create a group, you just click new group. New broadcast, this is where you want to send a message to 250 people on your contact list with one message. That is something you can do. And this it's a very important tool, because depending on how you've labeled your contacts, you can send a one short message to everyone who's maybe a new customer. You can send them a message to all of them. You can send a message of thank you maybe to all customers who have completed purchases. That's a good way to use the broadcast tool. Then there is the labels, the WhatsApp web. So let's and the start messages and settings. So let's first get started with the business tools. So I'm just going to click there. Here you can see the business profile, catalog, away messages, greeting messages, quick replies, labels, and short links. So to set up your business profile, just click on business profile. You can see the cover photo. Just click on the pencil icon to change. You can also change your business name. You can change. You can set up the description of your business, the location of your business. You can set it up there. You can see mine is a Mogoko Business Center in Kikuyu. Then you have also these other details that you can have, like email. You can see my email there, and also you can see the website and about Chuoni. So that's setting up a business profile. Then you can go to catalog. This is where you add your services and your products. You can upload them. So for me, I haven't uploaded any, but you just need to click on the plus icon to add. So once you click there, the plus icon, you can add an image. You can write the name of the item and the price. If you want to add more fields, you just click on more, and you can add different images for that product. So after that, then we go to the away messages. So for away messages, you just click the away message, you turn on the toggle there so that now it's green, and then you set up your away message. You can click on the pencil icon to write whatever you want, and once you're done, you just click OK. And then schedule the away message. When do you want them to be sent? Always send custom schedule. So if you click custom schedule, you're going to set the times when you are away. You can set up the time by clicking on the start. Just choose when you want to have you be away. Once you do that, then you can then you also add the end date when the away messages will not be sent. Then you can choose the recipients who are going to be your recipients. Is it everyone, or everyone not in your address book, or is it everyone except? Maybe you can set up if you're using your personal the same number for personal and business, then you can choose the people that you don't want to have the away message sent to them. So if it's your dad, your family members, your friends, you can add them to that list, and they will not receive the away messages when they send you a message at night, or maybe when you're away. Then you can also choose only send to. Maybe you want to send to maybe new customers only, so you just choose only send to, and then choose the people that you want. So that's the power of the away message tool. Once you set it up, for me, I'm not going to set it up right now. I leave it as that. So you can now go to greeting messages. For greeting messages, just click on the greeting message. You toggle that to green. Then you set up the greeting message. Whom do you want? What is the message? So craft your message there. And once you do that, then choose the people you want to receive. So is it everyone not in your address book? So for me, I've chosen everyone not in my address book. So anyone who contacts me and it's not on my address book will receive that away message. You can also choose everyone except, and also only send to. So that's also a very good tool you can use for your business. So let's go back to business tool to set up our quick replies. So to set up quick replies, you only need to click on quick replies, and here now you can set up the link. So it's /thanks. So those keywords help to for you when you're searching. So if somebody wants you have completed a business with that person, you can send them a thank you message. For me, if you want information about web hosting, I just search web hosting and then I send it to you. For services, I just there is that message for CAT. And if you want to create a new message, just click the plus button, and you're going to see there. So here you just set up, write whatever it is that you want for new service. So just set it there. If you want to add an image, you can click on the photo on the camera icon. If you want to add an emoji, you can select on the smiley face there. So shortcut, you just say for this one, you say new service, and it has to be one word. So new service. So you can see that is how I'm going to be searching it. So you can add a keyword, maybe like new service, new service. Make sure that it's one word, and then you click save. Once you click save, that message will be saved. You can click there saved so that you can see it there now. A new service has been added on my quick replies, and I'll show you at the end how you can search it when you're sending it to somebody. So then you have the the labels. If you want to label, maybe there are new customers that you've acquired through your maybe advertising online and things like that, you can add labels to them. So you can see that mine, I have new customers, new orders, pending payment, paid customers, and order complete labels. If I want to add a new label, I just click on the plus, and then I can add enquiries. Maybe somebody is inquiring about my business, and I can say enquiries. I don't know whether that's how you write it, so I say inquiries, and then I save. So you can see inquiries there, and that's a new label that I've put. And you can choose the color. You can even choose the color that you want it to have. So to choose the color, you've seen what I've done. You just click on it, and then you choose the color. Edit label, you can edit label, you can choose the color, delete it, or even message those customers. Right, so you choose color by just clicking choose color, and then you choose among the colors that you have there. So that's a great way to label your customers. So if you have, like, for that person who had only one line, you're using it for business and personal, so you can choose a label for personal. You add all the people who are texting you personally on that under that label, so that you'll be clicking on that label and seeing all the messages that are personal. Then you can have maybe others now labeled differently. If you want to add a short link, you can see it there. So maybe it's a short link you want to send to people, maybe so that they can click on it and send you a message or something like that. You want to link that number with your site, you can use a short link to do that. That is my short link now, so I can share it. I can copy it just by clicking on it, and then link copied. You can see once I long press on it, then the link is copied automatically. You can see there share link if you want to share it with some people, view QR code, and also you can have a message that you can send to the people that you want to use the short link. So that's how you set up the short link and setting up your business under the business tools. So if you want to have a new group, you just select and then choose the people that you want to be in the group that you want. Then you can also choose to broadcast a certain message. So choose all the people that you want, just the same way we choose on the personal WhatsApp, and then send to them the message that you want. Then you can do labels. You can check the labels. Maybe you want to see the messages that are there. Just by clicking there, you can go to new customers, and you can choose whether you want to date label, choose label, or send messages to all of those that are in that under that label. Then the other one is WhatsApp Business. This is how you connect. Maybe you want to connect with your laptop, or maybe you want to connect with another device. You can just click WhatsApp Web, and then you open WhatsApp on the other device, and then you scan the QR code, and you're going to be able to see your messages on that device. Then if you want starred messages, you just click on the starred messages and you're going to see them. So how do you star your messages? You can go to the chat. Maybe you want to chat with, you have had chats with somebody, so just long press on the message that you want to star, then click on the three messages, on the three dots. You can share the message, you can label the message, or you can star it. Once you click on the star, you can see it. There is a star that has been there's a star that has appeared under that message. So you just need to if you want to check all the starred messages now, just go to the three dots and click starred messages, and you're going to see all the messages that you've starred, and you can see from who. So that's how you can maybe even label the messages that are personal. You can star them, and then, or maybe something that was important, you're supposed to remember it. You can star that message, and then you're going to be checking the starred messages section to see all the messages that you've starred maybe for that week. So now there is also more settings under the settings. So once you click on settings, you will be able to see business tools. Business tools has all the details that we covered earlier. So your account privacy, changing number, and all those things, account security, you can go there and do all that. So chats, themes, wallpaper, and everything, you can also find them there. You can click on that, and then you set the theme, you set the wallpaper, how you want. When you click enter, do you want messages to be sent, or do you want to have a space, font, and all those things you have there. So notifications, you can do that. Data storage and data use. So when do you want maybe images to be downloaded? Do you want them to be downloaded when you're on Wi-Fi or phone data? You can choose all that. And then frequently asked questions, you can see there, and invite a contact. So if there is somebody who's not on WhatsApp and you want them to join WhatsApp, you can invite them there. So yeah, thank you very much. That's how you set up your WhatsApp business. Hopefully this video is informative, and it will help you to actually use WhatsApp business to make your business transactions and communications easier. So comment on the comment section. Let me know whether this was helpful, and see you in the next video. Thank you.